Welcome back. During last Thursday's plenary sitting, Minority Leader Kelvon Morris asked the Secretary for the Division of Infrastructure, Quarries and Urban Development, Trevor James, about the certificate of clearance for the Friendship Connector Road. Secretary James said that after work had halted on the Friendship Connector Road project last year, the division applied for a CEC on June 6, 2023. After this, the Environmental Management Agency, EMA, visited the site on the 26th of June, 2023.
And pursuant to the division's CEC application, the EMA granted a CEC on September 6th. The parties agreed by consent to have the injunction order lifted. The injunction was lifted on September 14th.
James stated that all parties agreed by consent on the 12th of December 2023 to have the matter discontinued. The road is 75% complete and the project is expected to be completed in March.